Ciao. Is Mr. Capalbo. I don't have my glasses on today. We're in quarantine like you. What, 2 weeks going on? Probably about. Anyways, I wanted to let you know this is my mess. Someday I clean it. I have lots of time when I'm not cooking. But tonight I wanted to make a simple dinner. I make a cheese sandwich, grilled cheese, on a hamburger bun, a egg toasted bun, not a regular white bread, egg bread. And I make a bean with some vegetables and bacon soup. It's very good. And then I also have a cup of pineapple juice to even it out. And I like a little catsup or ketchup, whichever you go by. Actually, I like ketchup with my grilled cheese. I'll give you a sample of what it looks like here now. So we'll turn it around here. Okay, there you see. Here's the soup. Here's the grilled cheese. It looks very good, no? I hope. Good, very good. See the cheese. Look at that cheese melted in there. There's cheddar cheese. I put little sprinkled cheddar cheese, and I put slices of sharp cheddar cheese on. Let me see. Or if you could just see me eating it. Oh, well, I could give you a sample. This is very good. Let me tell you. Let me see. You dip it in the ketchup. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look good? Now watch. Oh. The video's been sitting. Excuse me for talking with food on now. The video that I took a while to get the camera back up and running, so my cheese is not so stretchy, but it's very good tasting. And then, of course, as I said, the pineapple juice. You can buy that at any grocery store, well, if it's in stock anymore. But anyways, I'm going to eat my bean soup. I'll show you again here. The camera's loose now, so you can see it. There's bean soup with like vegetables, like carrots. My cameraman, he likes carrots, but he likes to drink it as a juice. And then there's beans in there and bacon. And this is just generic brand bean soup. I didn't have time to make one where you throw it in the crock pot and all that because I couldn't find the beans. So I was lucky enough to find the bean soup from the grocery store. As one of my favorite grocery stores, I will give them a shout out. The Stater Brothers on Holt in Ontario, California. There you go, guys. I help you out. 646 West Holt in Ontario, California. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm going to eat, and everyone have a good Sunday. Ciao. Grazie.